warm-you-up exercise today since it's so cold outside. 14 exercises, 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off. You need hand weights, a chair, and a resistance band. Okay, we're going to get started. Make sure you have a warm-up in. Get a good warm-up in. The first exercise is going to be footballers. 10 out, 10 in. Here we go. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Really quick feet. This is a good first exercise to get you warmed up. Just cool it down a little bit. Core nice and tight. Slight bend. Seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, grab your weights. This is a 4-way arm movement. Stand tall, arms up, palms up, out, and raise it up. So palms up, out, and raise it up. Up, out, and raise it. Up, out, and squeeze. Rotator cuff, biceps, triceps. Working that whole shoulder muscle. And up. That's why. So you need light weights so you can do the exercise properly. Up, work the biceps, out, and up. Good job. All right, here we go to push-up jacks. Get in push-up position. You're going to do 1 push-up, jump out, jump in, push-up. Make sure you have good form. Keep your head up, flat back, core tight. Exhale. Exertion. That's way. 15 seconds. Get 2 more in. Nice. Shake it out. Oh, I get to stay on the floor. We're getting ab work. There we go. Right arm, lay flat, reach it up. Keep your hand, your wrist over your shoulder. You're going to reach up and get that shoulder blade off the floor. Slight movement. You're just squeezing your abs, lifting that weight straight up above. So you're really concentrating on your abs, staying flat. That's why. Push it up. Good job. All right. We're going to do a single leg lunge into a power knee raise. Down and up. Same leg, down and up. Lunge and power it up. Power it up. Use your arms for momentum, down and up. Shoulders back, core tight, down and up. A little hop. If you don't want to do the hop, just do lunge and raise. powered up. This is great for your quads, glutes. Whew, I can feel it. Come on, guys. 7 seconds. Whew, shake it out. Okay, back on the floor. We're going to do Supermans to power ups. So lay down. Superman to power up. Superman and power up. Squeeze and raise. Squeeze everything, raise it up. As you come up into the push-up, make sure you're leading. Your whole body is flat. You're raising up. You're not raising your upper body and then your lower body. So wait, guys. Squeeze and raise. Squeeze and raise. Come on, we have 10 seconds left. Up. 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Now we're going to go back to push-ups. We're going to alternate. Push up. Side plank, look up. Reach under, look up. Push up. Rotate to the side, look up. Reach under, look up. Tuck, twist, up. Alternating side to side. Up, twist, up. That's way, come on. Work through it. 10 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. All right, we're gonna need the chair. This is a seated plow row. There we go. Edge of the chair, feet flexed. Sit nice and tall and pull back. Pull back. You're gonna squeeze your shoulder blades. Feet are on the floor. Squeeze it out. Get to the chair and pull. Sit nice and tall. Squeeze. Really squeeze the shoulder blade and release. It's great lat work. All the way down to your glute muscle. Strengthen that muscle. Come on. Five seconds. Good job. Okay, you can move your chair. So now we're going to the other leg. Power lunge. Lunge and power it up. And up. Balance ourselves out. Lunge. Power it up. And warm it up. Best thing to do when you're cold. Get moving. Get the heart going. Blood flowing. This way, guys. Come on. Push it. Power. Lunge. Whoops. Balance. Up. Feel it in my quad. Work through it. Come on. We have 10 seconds. And go to mountain climbers. Plank jacks. And hop ones. Woo, shake it out. All right, here we go. So 10 mountain climbers, 10 plank jacks, and 10 plank hop-ins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stay low. 6, core tight. 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're halfway there. Come on. Make sure your shoulders are over your wrists. Last 10, come on. 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Nice. All right, so going down to ab with the other arm. So lay flat. And reach it up. Shoulder blade off the floor. Get to catch your breath. That's right, guys. Keep it in line. Straight line. Squeeze. Lift and lower. Lift as you lower, slow. Don't just plop back down. You want to feel the muscle bringing you down. Control. Mind-body connection here. Come on. Almost there. Good job. All right. Okay, we're going to squat with a power hop. Down, up. Squatting, you have to touch the floor. When you squat down and up. Use your arms for momentum. We have 2 more exercises after this. You can do it. Come on. Make sure you get your butt down. One core, one cardio, and then you're done. So come on. Squat, raise. Power up. 5 seconds, come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Grab your, oh, I didn't tell you, stability ball. Okay, I'm gonna do a hamstring curl. Ankles on the ball. You're gonna pull it in and out. Palms up. Pull in and out. Wow. Keep your balance. This is really a great hamstring exercise. Really focuses right on the muscle. Keep your butt up, nice and tight. That's away. Hands up. Bring it in. When you start slipping down, just reset. Thanks. All right, it's your last exercise. And it's jacks with the cross toe touch. Here we go. And jacks, squat down and touch. Squat. So make sure you're getting your butt down, touch. Reach over, core tight. That's away. Your last exercise, guys. Come on, work through it. Nice job. Make sure you do a cool down and a stretch when you're done. And drink lots of water, refuel, and you're ready to have lots of energy the rest of the day. Good job. Okay, have a great day. Bye.